Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in Zimbabwe. Buckle up, because this one's quite a ride. So, here's the scoop. Zimbabwe Electoral Commission chairperson, Justice Priscilla Chigumba, was recently involved in a serious accident on the Harare-Chirundu road. Her Toyota Land Cruiser collided with a haulage tanker. And let me tell you, the scene was pretty chaotic. Thankfully, no one was hurt, including Chigumba herself. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Videos and images of the crash quickly spread on social media, sparking a massive public debate. Eyewitnesses at the scene have provided conflicting accounts of what really happened. Some say Chigumba's vehicle was at fault, while others have different versions of the story. The authorities have yet to release an official report, leaving everyone in suspense. Public reaction has been, well, let's just say it's been mixed. Some people are genuinely concerned about Chigumba's safety, while others are questioning the circumstances surrounding the accident. Given Chigumba's high-profile role, this incident has only added fuel to the fire, especially with elections on the horizon. But that's not all. This accident has also shown a spotlight on road safety issues in Zimbabwe. The Harare-Chirundu highway, where the accident took place, is notorious for its dangerous conditions. Driver fatigue, speeding, and poor vehicle maintenance are just some of the factors contributing to frequent accidents on this route. Following the incident, there have been calls for stricter enforcement of traffic regulations, better road infrastructure, and public awareness campaigns to promote responsible driving. The government's response to these concerns is still up in the air, but one thing is clear. Road safety needs to be a priority to prevent future tragedies. So, what do you think? Was Chigumba really at fault? Or is there more to this story? And what steps should be taken to improve road safety in Zimbabwe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe out there, folks. Catch you in the next one.